Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 6 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Exam. So click Open the exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam. So total question is 6 and question number 1 is beginning in cell C14 the budget analysis worksheets complete the series of substitution value ranging from 450 to 1200 increment of 150 horizontally across the row 14. So select the cell is C14 and go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the series and series in row and step value is 150 and stop value is 1200 and click OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is insert the reference to the sale revenue in column B in cell B15. So select the B15, press enter and type is equal to and insert the sale revenue. So select the sale revenue and press enter and next is insert the reference to the expenses in cell B16. So select the cell B16, type is equal to and expenses and press enter. Next is insert the reference to the operating income from column B into cell B17. So select the B17, type is equal to and reference to the operating income from a column B. So operating income in column B70 and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is create a one variable data table for the range B40 to I17. So type the B14 to H17, press enter. So select the range and go to the data tabs and go to the data table B40 to H17 output from the column B as the row input column. So go to the what if analysis and click the data tables. So output and using the unit output from column B as the row input. So select the row input. Row input is unit output. Unit output, sorry. Click the unit output from a column B as the row input cell and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is apply the accounting number format to the range C50 to H17. So type the C50 to H17, press enter. So select the range and apply the accounting number format. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the accounting number format. And next is apply the custom number format in cell B15. So type the B15 and press enter and display the sale revenue as the custom number format. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the custom number formats. So select the general and type the inverted commas and type the sales revenue. Sale revenue. Sale revenue, click OK. Sorry. Sale revenue. Type the inverted commas and click OK. Next is apply the custom number format in cell B16. Select the cell B16, go to the home tab and go to the number groups and click the custom number format and click the general. So type the inverted commas and type the expenses and type the inverted commas and click OK. Next is in cell B17. Click the number and custom number formats. Select the general and type the inverted commas and type the operating income. Operating income. Type inverted commas and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is beginning in cell B21, complete the series of substitution value ranging from a 35 to 45 increments of a 2.5 vertical down column B. So B21 and go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the series and select the column and vertically increments 2.50 and stop values 45% and click OK. Next is insert the reference to the operating income from column B in cell B20. So select the B20, type is equal to and insert the reference to the operating income from column B in cell B20. So select the B20 and operating income. Operating income. Operating income and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is create a two variable data table in the range B22 H25. So type the B22 H25, press enter and using the unit output from a column B as the row input and sale price from the column B column output cell. Go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups. Go to the data tabs and click the what-if analysis and click the data tables. And data table is unit output from B and sale price in column B. So row input cell is unit output and column input cell is sale price and click OK. Next is apply the custom number format to cell B20. So type the B20, press enter and display the custom number format. So custom formats, go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the custom number formats and select the general. So type the inverted commas and type the operating income and click OK. So please click OK to submit the assignment. Click OK and check the scores. So Excel chapter 6 exercise 2 simulation exam is 90%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.